Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, running boards, traction control system, luggage rack, backup camera, leather upholstery, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, dual power seats, cruise control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.